Welcome back to Weekend Smile. The Lacovia High School Past Student Association decided to give a helping hand to a family of 8 who was in need by building a proper housing structure. Now, President Jennifer Powell and new house recipient Ronald Miller is here to tell us more. Good morning, Ms. Powell and Mr. Miller. How are you guys? Welcome to Weekend Smile.
We are doing fine.
Fine.
Awesome to have you both here. I love acts of kindness.
These are feel-good stories,
Yes.
and I mean, we can feel the love and the gratitude that, Mr. Miller, you're probably feeling as well, having received that house. But Miss Powell, let's start here. When did the Lacovia Past Students Association begin?
Well, we started 1995.
Yeah, 1995. That's a long time.
Yes.
And you've been doing a lot since then.
Since then, we have been doing a lot.
Yeah.
What was the idea behind starting the association? What was that push, the need to do that?
Well, a group of alumni came together and decided that they wanted to support the school.
Okay.
So they formed this association.
Okay, and in terms of, deciding to help Mr. Miller's family, what inspired you guys to help his family?
Well, I was told by a friend to visit this family. So the first day I went, I took clothing and food.
Okay.
But when I went there, I realized that this family need way more than just clothing and food items.
Yeah.
Because the house, the structure, the wood that was used to make it, you could see duckants, and it was falling apart.
Yeah.
There was just one bed inside, and on the floor it was mud.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
So I reached out to some other friends and past students, and they decided that, okay, we are going to help this family.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we started. We did not expect the project to be this big, but I'm telling you, all glory belongs to God.
Yeah.
What was that initial feeling when you visited and you spoke to him and you guys decided that, hey, this is what we're going to do for you? What was his response? And then I can ask him to follow up on that too, having had that experience for himself. When you saw it, your response first, and then your response to hearing the news of them helping.
Honestly, when I saw it, I could not sleep the night. Tears came to my eyes to know that in these civilized time, people are living like this and nobody's helping.